We are in the centre of Hay and Wye, which is hosting the Hay Festival Winter Weekend. The UK Shared Prosperity Fund has supported Hay Festival Global in two ways. Firstly, to help us develop a sustainable model for the future for the winter weekend, which is a really crucial part of the calendar in Powys. And secondly, to support our strategic development as a relatively newly formed charity. Hay Festival Winter Weekend provides all sorts of benefits to the local community, not only through tourism, through the economy, but also in building communities across the local area.
The most rewarding aspect of the festival in town is basically our traders being able to access a vibrant atmosphere, but also extra business opportunities. The festival attracts people from all over the country, internationally as well, and we've definitely seen an increase in footfall and the type of people that come as well.
The biggest thriving industry in Hay would, I guess, be accommodation. But then as a sort of indirect result of that, then you've got restaurants, cafes, places where you're buying supplies and things have seen a massive increase. But then all of us, I guess, as a whole have seen a massive increase, because once those people are in town for a few days, they will explore all the shops, they will go to all the bookshops, they'll come in and chat, they'll want to ask you questions about the town. So I guess nowhere really doesn't benefit from the festival.
The funding that we've received has supported a feasibility study. The funding is helping us to understand our future strategic direction and what we do next to achieve a sustainable model for a long-term future and for the next generation.